to our kindergarten presentation assembly for 2021. My name is Taylor and along with Riley, we are your hosts today.
My name is Riley. I would now like to invite Bronte to acknowledge country.
Warramie. My name is Bronte. I would like to acknowledge that the land, water and sky where I learn each day belongs to the Darug people. Every day the children, staff and community at your public school learn together. We are grateful to the Darug elders past and present and respect that their history, culture and language has shaped this place. The future of the Darug Nation is in good hands as we strive to preserve the history, culture and languages of our First Nations people through developing knowledge and understanding, tolerance, strength, love and kindness in all that we do. Didjuri-go.
Thank you, Bronte. Please stand for the playing of the York School song. Please remember there is no singing.
Thank you. Please sit quietly. I would now like to introduce our principal, Mrs. Robbins, to address the assembly.
Welcome teachers and students to our 2021 presentation day, and I extend a warm welcome to everyone watching at home. Well, what a year to start kindergarten. Little did we know when you walked through the school gate that half of the year you would be learning from home. Little did we all know that your parents would become the teachers for nearly half of the year, and what a tremendous job your parents did. We usually take this opportunity at the end of the year to thank our teachers, but this year I need to thank the parents and teachers alike. Thank you for being so creative, inventive, resourceful, patient, caring, resilient, and most of all, keeping it together under extremely stressful times when anxiety is high everywhere. Our kindergarten teachers were amazing. They were here each Sunday during COVID due to the cap numbers on site, and they even became Uber drivers, delivering your learning packs to each of your houses. They really did go above and beyond. They say it takes a village to raise a child. I think this year more than ever in our recent history, this saying is true. Teachers and parents came together to keep our students learning in difficult times, and we succeeded. We're always looking at ways to improve our school, inside as well as outside of the classroom, and I'm pleased to announce that next year we are installing a supersized sandpit next to the play equipment and with lots more seating areas in the playground, not just for the quiet spaces, but for you, not for the quiet spaces at lunchtime when you might need a break from your friends, but also for teachers to bring the learning outside. You, the kindergarten students of 2021, have proven to be our most resilient learners yet. Thank you for being a wonderful kindergarten cohort. I wish you all the best as you move on to Year 1 next year, and let's hope that 2022 is a lot brighter for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Robbins. Our first awards are for classroom performance. Class teachers will announce the awards recipients for academic excellence, outstanding application, and citizenship. Mrs. Meaney, will you please present these awards?
Miss Walker, would you please come to the stage to announce the class awards for the students in KW?
Okay, good morning everyone. For academic achievement in KW for 2021 is Evelina Hassner. For outstanding application, we have Oliver Alford, Nora Flynn, and Isolde Fredericks. For citizenship, Averly Hayworth and Summer Mears. Let's congratulate our award winners from KW.
Thank you, Mrs. Walker. Our next class is KM. Mrs. McPherson and Mrs. Babbage, would you please now present the awards for KM?
Thank you, everyone. The awards for KM this year, academic achievement, goes to Jaden Hassel. For outstanding application, Jacob Holmes, Adeline Leaney, and Willow Williams.
For citizenship, Lila Gilchrist and Sienna Camilleri. And they are our KM's award winners.
Thank you, Ms. McPherson and Ms. Babbage. Mrs. Hayushkin and Ms. Kamage, would you please announce the class awards for the students in KS?
For academic achievement for KS is Sophia Gauci. Outstanding application, Oliver Morris. Tyler Mensforth. And Sienna Lees.
For citizenship, we have Lucy Zekic and Cody Morris. Well done to all our KS Award recipients.
Thank you, Ms. Sayushkin and Mrs. Kamigay.
That concludes the kindergarten awards. Could you please stand for the playing of the national anthem?
Please sit quietly. Thank you for your support throughout this difficult year. We wish you a peaceful and joyous Christmas.
Students, please listen for your teacher's instructions.